The only difference between also and to is the position of the word in the sentence. I like pizza and I like cookies too. I like pizza and I also like cookies. To goes at the end, also goes before the verb. I also like cookies. These are, again, affirmative sentences. I like pizza. Oh, I like pizza too. I like cookies. Oh, I also like cookies. Affirmative. If it's negative, either or either. I don't like pizza and I don't like cookies either. Or either. Oh, I like cookies. Oh, really? I like cookies too. I don't like cookies. I don't like cookies either. I don't like cookies either. I say, oh, I like cookies. And then you say, oh, me too. You can say me too. You don't need to repeat, I like cookies too. No, me too. I don't like pizza. Oh, me neither.
Me neither.
Me neither.
Me neither.
Or me neither.
Neither.
You don't need to repeat, I don't like pizza either. Just me neither, right? That's it. The word picky. First, the word pick. Pick, it means to, when you pick something up, you take something, or when you choose something, right? Like, pick me, choose me, or I was the last one to be picked, the last one to be chosen. So pick also means to choose. If you are picky, it means you are choosy, which means if you have like 10 different choices, you want to buy a shirt and there are 10 different shirts, and then you look and say, oh, I don't like this one, it's too small. This one is too big, too large. This one, I don't like the color. I don't like the fabric. It's too transparent. It's too, it's never good enough. You never like the options you have because there's always something you don't like about it because you are picky. You are choosy. It's hard for you to pick one. It's difficult for you to choose one because there's always something you don't like about it. You got it?
Yeah.
Or you could also say you're fussy. For example, you're looking for a boyfriend, but you have a long list of things you don't like. I don't like it if he has blonde hair, or if he talks too much, or if he smokes, and on and on. There's a list of things. You are fussy, right? That's what it means. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Comfort. Comfort. How to use the word comfort. The woman is crying, right? The woman is crying. She's crying. And the man, he comes and he says, don't worry, don't cry, right? Everything will be okay. Things will be better. And then the woman says, oh, I'm crying because I missed my flight. And the man says, don't cry. If you say, don't worry, things will be all right. Relax, right? Because your problem will be solved. There's always a way out. There's always a solution. Don't cry. He is comforting her. So comfort is when you offer good words, beautiful words. When someone has a problem, when someone is sad, when someone is crying, you come and you say beautiful words. You say nice things because you want to help the person calm down. You are comforting the person. Comfort. You understand? Email is a verb. It's a noun, but it's also a verb. I email you. You email me. Oh, did you see? I emailed you yesterday. I emailed you. It's a verb. I'm emailing you. I have emailed you. Did you email me yesterday? Google is also used as a verb. Let me Google it. Let me Google it.
Okay.
I will Google it. I will Google it. What are you doing? I'm Googling it. I'm Googling it.
Google it.
I am Googling it. Don't Google it. Don't Google it. Verb. We use it as a
Okay.
verb, right? Text is a verb. Huh? Text me. I text you. Did you text me? I have just texted you. Even the word Skype is a verb, even though people don't use Skype as often anymore. Support, cheer. You could say you're a fan. How do you say you support a certain team? You could say, use the verb support. I support Manchester. You could say you root for a certain team. I root for Manchester. You could use the verb cheer. You cheer for a certain team. You could say that you are a fan. I'm a Manchester fan. I'm a Barcelona fan. You could say that Barcelona is your favorite team. What football team do you support? What soccer team do you root for? What's your favorite soccer team? Support sounds a bit more British. You support a certain football team. Root for sounds more American. I root for a certain soccer team. What about you? What's your favorite soccer team?
Corinthians Paulista.
Okay, very good.